Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you how to make a Snapchat filter in 2022. Now this is a pretty basic process, but it isn't a free method. There may be some other workarounds to this, but the official way to do it does require you to spend money. I don't even know how much money it is, but that is pretty much the main kind of disappointing factor. Now if that's totally okay, then the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to create.snapchat.com, and it's actually a much longer website. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description. And what this website essentially allows you to do is an official website from Snapchat, and it allows you to pretty much go ahead and make custom filters for your Snapchat, location. So this is going to be location based. So if you're doing a wedding or you're having an event or something like that's going on, well, what you can do, like on the page here, you can go ahead and swipe down and go ahead and see, whether you want to set it up for a wedding, for a birthday, for love vibes, school, university, so many different things. So once you have that specific event set up of what you want to do, you can go ahead and choose different pre-installed filters of what you want. And then from there, what you can do is you can customize the text. You can customize all this other stuff. I mean, there's so much stuff you can customize. And then when you're done with that, of course, this is going to be the thing that takes up the longest amount of time. And you can probably watch some other tutorials that break this down a little bit further. You want to go and click next, and the rest of this process is completely up to you. You want to set up the dates, how long you want certain things to be, and all these other things, the time as well, and maybe it'll be a little bit more expensive if you choose a bigger time. After that, you can choose the location. So wherever you want the specific thing to be at, you can go and choose a location where it's from. And at that point, you can go ahead and check out. Now, for this specific thing that I just did, now it does not tell me the price, but essentially you go and check out here and you buy the filter for that specific time. And that's really pretty much it. It's totally up to you if you want to do it like this, but that's pretty much how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.